electric energy and power. Now you know, in general, the work done by a source to maintain a current in an electric circuit is known as electric energy. Let us consider an electric device, whatever it may be a bulb, it may be electric heater, it may be electric iron, etc. Let us consider an electric device with resistance R through which current I flows from one end to the other at time t or for time t. Then charge will flow from one point to another point. Let us say this is the device and the resistance of this device is R. Current is flowing from A to B is I, and potential difference across this device is V. Now if current is flowing through this device for a time interval t, then we can say the total charge Q equals to IT. Total charge Q equals to IT is flowing from point A to B, and for that the work done will be equal. Work done to bring the charge from one point to another point is equal to what? Is equal to potential difference into the charge. If V is the potential difference between the 2 points, then we know that to carry charge, unit charge from A point to B point, V amount of work to be done, there is the Q amount of charge is flowing from A point to B point, therefore the total work done will be equal to Q into V. Q into V is the work done, and that is the electric energy. This work done is equal to the electric energy E consumed in the circuit. Right? Electric energy consumed in the electric circuit, E is equal to W equals to Q into V, or this can be written as IT into V, or you may write VIT, or you may write V equals to IR. We know V equals to IR from Ohm's law. IR into IT. That means you can write I square R. You may also write V into V by R. I equals to V by R into T. Or you may write V square by R into T. All these expressions, E equals to VIT, E equals to I square RT, E equals to V square by RT. All these expressions are for the electric energy consumed by a device. Right? Now, for conductors or for bulbs, for heaters, for irons, this electric energy is converted into heat energy. Therefore, you can say that amount of heat produced in the conductor is V square by R into T, or I square R into T. Energy dissipated per unit time is called the power of the electric circuit or electric device, power of the electric device, and therefore power dissipated. Power dissipated is the what? This is energy dissipated per unit time. That means energy dissipated divided by time. Or you can write this as I square RT, this is P, divided by T. That means I square R, or you may write V square by R into T divided by T, that is V square by R, or you may write VIT by T equals to V into I. That is the expression for power dissipated, that is power of an electric device, is P equals to I square R, or you may write P is equal to V square by R, or you may write P is equal to V into I. SI unit of power is watt, and which is equals to 1 joule per second. That means if an electric device consumes 1 joule of energy in 1 second, then the power of the device is 1 watt. Or you may also write 1 watt for an electric device. 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. 1 volt into 1 ampere. This means if 1 ampere current flows through an electric circuit, when 1 volt potential difference across the conductor and across the device is applied, then the power of the circuit is called 1 watt. 1 kilowatt equals to 10 to the power 3 watt. 1 megawatt is 10 to the power 6 watt, and also HP, another horsepower, is another unit of power, which is 746 watt, 746 watt. These are the some units of power. Now you see, we have said that power is the energy dissipated per unit time, that is P is equal to E by T, or you can write E equals to P into T. From here we use some units of energy dissipation or energy dissipated, or we use the electric energy, right? And for that you have to pay. Right? Now the amount of energy consumed by ourselves we can calculate, and for that the unit of electric energy is 1 unit, that is 1 BOT, 1 board of trade unit, and that is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Now see here, E can be written as power into time. Now watt into hour. This is what is the power, time is hour, 1 hour. Then watt hour is a unit of electric energy. Similarly, kilowatt hour is also a unit of electric energy. Now how much energy is said to be 1 watt hour? 1 watt electric device runs for 1 hour, then it consumes 1 watt hour of electric energy, right? 1 watt of electric device, 1 watt of electric device runs for 1 hour, consumes electric energy 1 watt hour, which can be written as 1 joule per second into 366 seconds. That means joule. You can write that. Similarly, 1 kilowatt hour. What is that? This also. If the total power is 1 kilowatt and it runs for 1 hour, then energy consumed by the device is 1 kilowatt hour. An electric device of 1 kilowatt power runs for 1 hour, then it consumes 1 kilowatt hour of energy, and which is called 1 unit of electric energy, and what is 1 BOT unit. 1 BOT unit is 1 kilowatt hour, that is 10 to the power 3 watt hour, and that is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 1 unit of electric energy is equivalent to or is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. These are the cases for energy and power. Right? Let us consider a device R to which a power P is to be delivered via transmission cables. We get electric energy from transmission center through the transmission cable, right? Let us consider a device R to which a power P is to be delivered via transmission cables having resistance RC. RC is the resistance of the transmission cable and R is the device we are using, right? If V is the voltage across R and I is the current through it, V is the voltage across R and I is the current through it, then you can write P equals to V into I. Now the device has a finite resistance. The power dissipated in the connecting wire, which is wasted, is PC. PC is the power wasted through the connecting wire, that is transmission cable, is equal to I square into RC. Or we can write PC equals to, from here we can write I equals to P by, that is P square by V square into RC, right? Thus, to drive a device of power P, the power wasted in the connecting wire is inversely proportional to V square. To reduce PC, that means to reduce the wasted power, these wires carry at very high values of V. Transmission cable or current transmission or electric energy transmit from transmission center to our household with very high voltage to reduce the power wastage, right? This is the reason for high voltage for the transmission of electricity. But such high voltage is not safe, and hence at the other end a device called transformer lowers the voltage to a suitable value.